So when you're in MAXTECH, we just saw that the National Housing Report is available. So log into your MAXTECH account, go down to marketing. We're going to schedule mass email, and hopefully you've already filled out that little form that you just have to fill out, say what are you going to send it for, and then it takes a couple days. Go to schedule email. Who do you want to send this to? If you want to send it to everybody, why not? Supposed to do 13 touches a month from what the experts say, which seems crazy, but that's what they say. We're going to come down here to template. I just did a search for national and it pulls up all of them. So here we're going to go to February 2025. And you'll see this is what the email looks like. It has the video, the information. These are merge tags, so it won't matter. It'll just basically go to the first name of your contact, so it's less you have to do. Same thing with it's going to pull in your photo, so make sure your profile has all this information, and the office logo, which even if there isn't one, it'll have a generic one. So you don't need to include your signature that's in your profile unless you go and remove those. Otherwise, it'll show up twice. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to send this just to my agents. So I don't need to, I'm going to go ahead and just contact. And you send it to my agents, elite agents. When do you want to send this? Typically, it's not going to let you do it the same day. Let's see. It's the 21st. So you'll see today's the 20th. So I'm going to go ahead and send this at 9:30. And then, I got those buttons in my way to send it. So I'm going to go ahead and schedule it, and I'm done. Good to go.